Sunday the 24th of February, and this is roughly part 4, I think. It'll be part 4 on the videos. But yes, what's changed since the last time?
We'll put the baseboard on, because the baseboard's going to take the polythene. But the baseboard was quite good because
The baseboard is...
it's a bit of 100 mils by 25 mils timber, so it's quite good because we were able to just screw the baseboard in straight into the steel tubes.
Yes.
Using a special screw called Technique, I think they're called Technique screws to drill through the wood and the steel.
TEK. And then we've got the door frames in place. Yes.
So the door frames, they've been set so that they're 25 mils back to the front of the tube, because we're going to put 25 mil thick,
Which is on that line.
facings on this.
Yep.
These doors are good size, they're 1800 mils wide space.
Which is 6 feet roughly, yeah.
Roughly,
And hopefully that'll allow for plenty of airflow. These pieces at the bottom are just there to keep the door frames square. Yes. Anyway, that's all for now.